If you're wondering how you can lock apps on the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just open the security app. Now from here, just swipe up and open the toolbox section. And from here, under the privacy protection section, you will find the option of app lock. Just tap on it, then tap on turn on. Now from here, just create a lock or a pattern for your app lock. After you create your pattern, just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Then select next. Select not now, then tap on not now. From here, just tap on use app lock. Now, if you want to use your fingerprint to open the apps, just tap on settings, otherwise you can select cancel. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to lock. Just like that. And from here, if you go to the home screen and if you open any app which you have enabled the toggle for, as you can see, it is asking us to enter the pattern which we have created. Just like that. And this is how you can lock any app on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.